In this project, we use the following components: USB power cable, battery, DC motor with fan, relay module, IR sensor, Arduino Uno, jumper wire, and a battery sniffer. These components help us to create an automatic fan control system. Now we start building the circuit. Connect the IR sensor VCC to 5V, GND to GND, out pin to digital pin 2. The IR sensor detects nearby object or movement. Now connect the relay module and DC motor. Relay module VCC to 5V, GND to GND, and input pin to pin D5. DC motor connection. Connect positive terminal to relay COM. Relay no to motor terminal 1. Motor negative terminal to battery negative. The relay safely controls the DC motor. Now open Arduino IDE. Write the logic. Read the IR sensor signal. If an object is detected, turn on relay and DC motor. If no object is detected, turn off the motor. This creates an automatic cooler system. Now, connect the Arduino to the laptop. Now select the COM and port. Now upload the code. This creates an automatic cooler system. Now your project is ready. Now the system is ready. When a person or object comes near the IR sensor, the sensor detects movement and motor rotates. Arduino activates the relay. The DC motor starts rotating like a cooler fan. When no object is detected, the motor automatically turns off. This project is used in smart cooling systems, automatic fans, home automation, energy saving systems, beginner robotic projects. It is a simple and useful automation for learning sensors and motors control using Arduino. Thank you and happy learning.